Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to talk about this super fun game, Sketchy Tales. This is the Disney edition. You usually need 4 to 8 players. The more you have, the sillier it is. So this is kind of like playing the game telephone, but you are drawing and writing. So you have little notepads that you're able to draw on with the erasable marker. You also have a subject and you have a character. All the cards are double-sided, so we kind of fan them out and pick without people seeing, just so you don't know. So someone is going to start off with a card, and they're going to have the 2 cards with a character and a saying, and they need to draw this. Then they're going to cover it with a blank paper and put that Mickey clip, pass it to the next person. They're going to see the drawing and write what they see. Then they're going to put a paper on and clip it, pass it to the next person, and then they're going to read that and have to draw what they're reading. So it continuously goes till you get to the last person and what they have, and then they have to pull out the first one and then actually see what it is. So it can be something so silly because we kind of all see something different compared to what we're reading, compared to what someone's drawing. So it's kind of cool to see what the outcome is, because sometimes it can be correct and sometimes it's super funny. But this is a really great game to play with the family, especially kids and anybody who loves Disney. But that's just my point of view.